called Safiyah. She got my ex, but so what? I don't know that. I want to that eat that gal ya. Story time now. Not a boy can talk nothing bad about my body. I must compliment me I get when some gal a break. She know she keep the thing shabby. Every man when me left still happy text it. Make the new gal where him own happy get vexed. She a question if I'm me name like a investigation. Asking if me stay long if the body right and real like a name brand. Gal, me know you hate me and you want to say the worst things, but you can't style me body so you're hurting. You get me ex, but so what? I don't know other, cause him still want to make that gal. Me know you hate me and you want to say the worst things, but you can't style me body so you're hurting. You get me ex, but so what? I don't know other, cause him still want to make that. Listen, me we make your heart crumble. Send your screenshot, make her stumble. Your man still a text me, so girl just humble. Sackle yourself and not make me get crazy. Tell me say he miss my body and he tell me say you're lazy. Sorry, reminiscing I'm new habits. Head a spin when me pass the waistline, him well one grab it. Now time to fight me, now want me start right. But me we pose up. Me know you hate me and you want to say the worst things, but you can't style for me body so you're hurting. You get me ex, but so what? I don't know that, cause him still want to make that gal. Me know you hate me and you want to say the worst things, but you can't style for me body so you're hurting. You get me ex, but so what? I don't know that, cause him still want to make that gal.
Stop it, calm down.
So what? So what? Tell me one thing that would turn any boyfriend into your ex and why.
Well, if him cheat because me know some more than enough, yeah, and I'm a very selfish person.
Yeah, judges, did Safiyah go on X in that performance? Professor Nuts.
I love that. You see her attitude? It is there. That's a dancer attitude. I love it. And then the little expression. So what? No. Girl, I love that. I love that performance. Continue seeing we keep it up. Rogo that.
All right, scatter.
I can't say nothing bad about the female them so far. I mean, that hook they're so infectious. It bad. Me know you hate me and you want to say the word. And it have a little twist in it. It mad. And you present it very, very, very good. Great start. Keep it up, babes.
Sure. Thanks, judges.